Explosive activity at Mount Semeru escalated on 4th of December with an explosion at 1450 WIB, producing an ash plume up to 15.2 kilometers. As of 8:30 UTC on 5th of December, the National Disaster Management Agency, BNPB, is reporting 13 fatalities, with 7 people missing and dozens injured. Hundreds took refuge in evacuation halls. Rockfalls and pyroclastic density currents have been reported by the seismic network and visual observations, while seasonal rain and thunderstorms that are forecast for the coming days present an increased risk of rain-triggered lahars. A number of villages have been covered in up to 4 meters of volcanic ash and sand, while housing, roads and bridges have been damaged. The Indonesian National Board for Disaster Management is supporting in the immediate aftermath with helicopters, heavy machinery, food, shelter and PPE such as face masks. According to the Indonesian National Board for Disaster Management, the number of fatalities has increased to 15 and 27 people are missing, and 169 have been injured. More than 1,700 people have been displaced in 19 refugee posts, 5,205 people have been affected as well as 2,970 houses across Lumajang Regency and Malang Regency in Java Province. On December 4, 2021, the Mount Semeru Volcano in Lumajang Regency, East Java Province, had its largest eruption in recent history and produced a hot cloud avalanche with volcanic materials and heavy ashfall. As of 6th of December, the government has reported 34 people killed, 17 people are unaccounted for, and 5,205 people directly affected, including some 3,697 people who are displaced within the regency. The eruption has damaged 2,970 houses and has affected 24 schools and 3,888 students. The government has prohibited any human activity within 1 kilometer radius from the volcano and 5 kilometers towards south-southeasterly direction. The local government of Lumajang declared a 30-day emergency response period and has established a command post. OCHA has recorded more than 300 government and non-government institutions that have provided relief assistance to affected people.